Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Caroline right here. Today I'm going to be finally coloring my hair. Well, if you don't know my story, which I'm probably gonna do it in another video, all my hair fall out pretty much 2 years ago because I wanted to be blonde. Let's just leave that as that. Today I'm so excited because I'm going to be trying out the hair wax. So I went on Amazon and I pretty much went crazy. Expect more videos coming up about color hair because this girl is obsessed with color hair. I'm super excited to try this out, and without further ado, let's just get started with the whole hair process, shall we? I bought a bundle on Amazon. I got 6 different colors: red one, a green one, a violet one, purple, blue, a gray one, which this was the one I wanted to try out today, but I'm going to go to work later, so I'm just gonna go and play it safe and use some gold in my hair. And of course the one I'm using, the gold. So I already washed my hair and I applied just my daily products that I would normally wear in my hair. I just used the Shea Moisture Leave-In Conditioner and the argan oil with Morocco. Just put that in my hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start putting the color on my hair. The consistency is super thick. Wow, this is super gold. I'm honestly gonna do half and half so you can see my hair is super black. Wow, look at this. I'm speechless because look how black my hair is and look how blonde I look. Oh, this is crazy. I can't get over it. And plus, my curls look super defined. The texture, it feels so good right now. I'm loving this. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. If I would have known this 2 years ago, I would have not bleached my hair. I would have not gone through all that trouble. But anyways, we're here. My hair is coming back. Look at this definition. So curly and blonde. So I'm blonde. Oh my god, I just can't. I'm obsessed with my hair right now. And look at this, guys. Look. Like, I didn't even use all the products. Still have product for like 2 more times that I can reuse this. Like, this is crazy. There's still a lot of product in here. And I didn't even use a lot. Looks like I did, but I didn't use that much. And it's just crazy how good my hair looks. I'm so excited to just try the other colors now. I just want to try them all. I'm just gonna let my hair dry and come back. My hair's not fully dry, but I tried diffusing it. I'm gonna go ahead and use my little handy comb and fluff it out so it looks more voluminous. This is the final look. I'm in love. I'm so happy. It's gorgeous. I'm so obsessed with it. I can't with me right now. There was some transfer in the shirt that I was wearing earlier, but it was because, again, my hair was wet, so obviously there was gonna be some transfer. If you guys would like to see me trying the other colors, maybe the blue, maybe the purple, maybe the green, or the red, or the silver, let me know or give me a like. So we have reached the end of the video. Do not forget to subscribe down below if you want to see my face again and see future videos like this one. Also, don't forget to like this video so I can do another color. Any colors that you guys want me to try on my hair and neck, leave it in the comment section below or give it a like, and I'm going to be making sure that I'll do another one because I'm just obsessed. This is all for today. I just keep talking. I can't with my hair. I just can't. See you on the next one, guys. Bye bye.